tell y'all something. Listen, you see this right here? You see how beautiful this is? Watch this though. Watch this right here. Look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that, baby. Look at that. That's amazing, man. That's amazing, Steve. What up, man? What up? Hey, Dave. What up, Dave? Look at this, man. Look at Crazy over there trying to get to it. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Look at my nephew trying to get to it. Look at Rick trying to get to it, baby. Come on, get to it, Rick. Woo! I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm gonna tell y'all something, man. If I gotta force you to come out here and see this, man, I almost might twist your arm because you're missing something amazing, man. That's absolutely amazing. Listen, I love Black Folks Camp too because we don't just promote black folks to go do these things to camp on their own or just with black folks. But we want black folks to camp with everybody. We just want you to go camping and enjoy yourself, man. And we're gonna get to the campground here pretty soon. So we had to show you that first. Woo! Now we're gonna hang out up here a few minutes. But I don't tell y'all, man, I'm excited. Black Folk Camp 2.